Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by preparing the device and files so the real work moves fast. Confirm your Android TV model and OS level to pick a compatible Google TV Launcher APK. Once done, enable unknown sources for your File Manager app and turn on ADB debugging in developer options. Make sure the Launcher APK and any companion packages are downloaded to a USB drive or the TV's storage. If sideloading from a PC, install ADB tools now so you're ready to push packages. Next, install the launcher and any companion APKs carefully so the system accepts them. If using the TV's file manager, navigate to the APK and choose Install. If using ADB, run a db install R launcher. Apt to replace previous versions. Install companion packages in the order recommended by the APK author and reboot the TV between major installs to let services register. After installs complete, go to Settings, Apps, Default Apps, and select the new Home app to activate Google TV as your launcher. Finish by polishing settings and handling potential issues so the launcher runs smoothly. Clear cache and data for the previous launcher and Google services if you see glitches, and make sure permissions for the new launcher are granted. If the launcher crashes, boot into safe mode to identify conflicting apps, then uninstall those apps or disable them. As a last resort, reinstall the stock launcher or reflash firmware via ADB. Always keep a backup of settings and APKs so you can restore if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.